vetted by the law department, and this bill provides for a welfare fund to grant relief to non-resident Goans in certain cases.
Commissioner of NRI Affairs also decided to provide insurance of 1 lakh to all non-resident Goans. The insurance will be available to Goa card holders or their heirs in case of death or any serious disease or illness.
Facilities now free of charge, we are giving them insurance of rupees 1 lakh. In case of their death or death of their family or to the bodily injury or serious disease or illness, they of course, in the case of bodily injury, serious disease, illness, they will get. In case of death, their heirs will get. This 1 lakh free. We are giving them this insurance.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Yashwant Parav for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Watch Kadamba to buy 60 new buses and Panchayats serve demolition notices to some coastal houses. Stay tuned. Welcome back. The State Environment Ministry, in a letter to Union Environment Ministry, has objected the setting up of a thermal power plant at Karwar. The Environment Minister Alesh Sequeira said that he has reminded Union Environment Ministry about their earlier decision where they had rejected Goa's proposal to set up thermal power plant in the state because of wildlife sanctuary.
Karnataka government is planning to set up thermal power plant in Karwar near Kurtigaon Wildlife Sanctuary. Environment Minister Alesh Sequeira, in a letter to Union Environment Ministry, has reminded the ministry that Goa was not allowed a thermal power plant because of the Forest and Wildlife Sanctuary.
State Environment Ministry has only, as Minister Environment, I believe it's my responsibility to bring to the notice of the Ministry, Union Ministry of Environment and Forest, that on the Goa border, Goa-Karnataka border, there exists a thermal power plant. There exists a wildlife sanctuary, which I have done.
Sequeira also elaborated on why Union Environment Ministry should not allow setting up of thermal power plant in Karwar.
When Ministry of Power, the present minister, when he came to Goa some time back, he had announced sanction of 2 thermal power plants for the state of Goa. At that time, these applications were rejected by Ministry of Environment and Forest, saying that it should be around 25 kilometers from any wildlife sanctuary. And as such, we could not find any suitable place in the state, within the state, to set up these plants.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Yashwant Parav for Prudent Media.
Kadamba Corporation announced that the corporation will replace around 148 old buses and purchase new 60 buses. Kadamba has got 7.7 crore rupees for upgradation under JNNURM scheme.
Kadamba Chairman Alex Reginald said that corporation is highly in need of financial backing. Reginald stressed again on the increase in revenue generation to implement 6 pay to the staff.
We have time and again said, we require 20 crores as areas, 20 to 22 crores as areas, and we require 16 crores per year, 12 crores per year. The government will give us some money, no doubt, but some of the revenue we have to manage on our own, because government will entirely not give us a package which will be, this is for your salary. So that is why some negotiations have to go on. In fact, government has come up with the same opinion.
Managing Director S.V. Naik mentioned that they had been successful in getting central fund under Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Rural Mission. Kadamba has got 7.7 crore rupees under this scheme.
Our Honorable CM got a message from Ministry of Urban Development, New Delhi, and we were successful in preparing a detailed project report and in getting a sanction of 7.7 crores of rupees under Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Rural Mission. And first installment of 3.85 crores we have already received. As of today, we are having around 148 buses which are due for replacement, and they are almost more than 148 to be exact.
148 for replacement. That is,
they are due for replacement, aging fleet. They are exceeding 12 years.
Naik gave us the details of the new buses ordered by the Kadamba.
we have already ordered for 30 numbers of mini buses with Chaugale Industries Limited of Swaraj Mazda make, which will be supplied to us in phases. I am hoping to get around 7 mini buses this month. There is a growth. This financial year we will be having 50 plus another 10, 60 vehicles under this financial year. New bus.
A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Ravindra Dravi for Prudent Media.
Some coastal panchayats have sent demolition notices to the coastal dwellings and work sheds citing CRZ violations. Matani Saldana has demanded Goa-specific amendment giving protection to these dwellings in coastal areas.
A dangling sword is hanging around 8,500 dwellings and work sheds belonging to traditional fishermen, after the High Court asked the local panchayats to act under coastal regulation zone. Agnya Rodriguez said that the central leaders should fulfill the assurances given during the Lok Sabha election and save the coastal structures.
Election time आमकां गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान काँग्रेस सरकारान ऑपोजिशन पार्टी BJP दुसरे पार्टी बसलो तेणी आमकां आश्वासन दिलें आतां इलेक्शन कोड लागला आतां कांय करपाक जायना इलेक्शन जातरीच आमी तुमची घरां सेफ करतले म्हणून पूण आज काल जुलयाचे 16 तारखेर म्हाका नोटीस धाडल्या ती 15 दिसां मदें हे आमची घरां आहाय ती डेमोलिश करची म्हणून.
Matani demanded a specific amendment in CRZ notification which will save the structure on the Goan coastlines.
Goa specific amendment had म्हणून CRZ 1991 notificationाक आनी ही घर सांबाळपाक जे भाशेन हेर स्टेटीन हाडले आपली गांवांची लोकां सांबाळपाक आमगे स्टेट हिंगा गोंयचे सरकार म्हाका दिसता आपले फकत सादोवपाचें काम कोताय गोंयाक लागले लोकां हाती काय ना लोकां हाती पब्लिका स्टेटमेंट नाजाल्यार ही नोटीस तांकां आज पावपा न्हू कित्याक इलेक्शना टायमार तेणी सांगलेलें आमी सोडयतले म्हण आतां कितें जालें 2-3 मिनट जाय दिले.
Matani urged that Goenkars should be allowed to build their residential and occupational structures within 200 to 500 meters of coastline following CRZ regulations.
200 ते 500 मिटरां भितर थिंगा लोकां घर बांदपा मेळना लोकांक काय बिजनेस करपा मेळना ती हॉटेलां ताका रिजर्व करून दवरले आमी स्पेसिफीक गोंया जाग ना आनी गोंयाकारां आनी खंय वचपा ना आमी गोंयकारां धंदो करपा जाय गोंयकारां रावपा जाग जाय आमगे मागणें गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाक की 200 ते 500 मिटरां भितर आमगे लोकांक घर